Hello guys, and welcome to Smart Hub. Yeah. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about complex numbers. So what are complex numbers? Though definitions are not really important in mathematics, but you just have to know them so that you understand the topic very well. Okay, so a complex number is a number that can be expressed in a form a plus bi. Okay, so complex number is any number, take note, any number that can be expressed in a form a plus bi. Okay, where a and b, so now these are conditions for it to qualify as a complex number. A and b are real numbers, so a and b are what? Are real numbers. So this is a condition. Yeah, so a plus bi, this one is referred to as a standard form of a complex number. A standard form of a complex number. Then this a is called a real part of a complex number. Then this b is called the imaginary part. Imaginary part of a complex number. Oh, my pen is running out of ink. Let me look for. Okay, so let's say for example you have 7 plus 8i. This is in the standard form. This is in the standard form because you have a and b as real numbers, then even an i here. So this one is because it's in a form of a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers. Okay, again, let's say for example you have 11 minus 3i. So this one can be written as 11 plus negative 3i, because the standard form has a plus a. Yeah, though sometimes it's just written like this, but the standard form, it has to have an additional sign here. Okay, yeah. So now let's again say you have negative 9i. What does this mean? This means that you have a 0 here, okay, but it is not written because 0 is nothing. So this one in standard form can be written as 0 as our a plus 9 as our b, then I mean negative here, 0 minus 9i. So this is our standard form of writing a complex number. Okay, so let's now talk about addition and subtraction of complex number. Yeah, so how do we add and subtract complex numbers? Okay, let me give an example so that you understand. So let's say, for example, you've been given example. You've been given 4 plus 3i, then you are adding 5 plus 9i. Yeah, so what we do is we add the a's. You know what I mean? You add the, remember, this is our a, this is our b. Even here, this is our a, this is our b. So we had the a's alone and the b's alone. You know what I mean? So we have this 4 as our a and this b as our a. So when we add these two, we're going to get 9. Okay, plus when we add these b's, we have 3 and 9, we are going to get 12i, like this. Simple. So it's a plus a, b plus b. Yeah. Even subtraction goes just like that. Okay, let's say you've been given 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4i plus 3 over 2 plus 3 over 4i. What are you going to do here? Same thing. We're just talking about the same thing. You still have the heads, you still have the base. Okay, so we're just going to add these two. When you add these two, you're going to get 7 over 6. Yes, 7 over 6, because 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2. Yeah, the common denominator is 2, then 2 into 2, it's 1. 1 plus 1, 1 times 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 1. Am I doing the right thing? Wait. Yes, I'm doing the correct thing, but this is wrong. So 2 into 2, it's 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Then a plus 4 over 2, then 1, 2. So it's 2 over 1. Sorry, we're going to remain with 2. Okay, 2 into 4, it's 2. Okay, so here it's 2, just like this. Plus, when you had 3 over 4 plus 3 over 4, you're going to get 9 over 4. 9 over 4i, like this. Yeah, so same applies. So now let's talk about addition, or multiplication and subtraction. Yeah, so how do we multiply and divide the complex numbers? So there are some rules you have to know. Okay, so there are key things you have to know here. So always put this in mind, put this in your mind. I squared is equal to -1. Okay, then I is equal to root of -1. Okay, wherever you see high, just replace with negative root of -1. Then wherever you see high to the power 2, replace with -1. Take note. Then negative I squared is equal to -1. So take note of these three things. Okay, so let me give an example. So even here you still do the same thing. You say 4 times 4 is 8. Then 2 times 4 is 8. Then 2 times 5 is 10i. So 10i plus 3 times 4 is 12. So here you expand. It's 12i plus 3 times 5. 3 times 5. So this one is having I, even this one is having I. So we're going to have 15i squared. Okay. So remember what we said. So 8 plus 10i plus 12i is 22i. 22i. Then plus 15i squared, it's -1. Okay. So you place here with -1, then so we are going to have 8 plus 22i minus 15. So this is going to be -15. Then 8 minus 15, it's -7 plus 22i. So this is now in standard form. Okay.